Hello everyone, let me guide you through the demo of delivery slots application in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This feature allows your customer to select their preferred delivery date and time during checkout, providing convenience and enhancing their shopping experience. Whether you are delivering packages, groceries, or even cars, this module lets you easily manage and customize delivery slots based on your operational capacity. Ensure smoother logistics, reduce missed deliveries, and improve resource planning. Offer flexibility, enhance efficiency, and boost your customer satisfaction. Now, let's see how this application works. For that, you need to go into the settings. Under users and company, select user, select any particular user, and make sure you have selected administrator in delivery slots. After that, we will go into the fleet. We will see the different type of vehicle here. Select any one vehicle, and here under the model, fill your information like model year, transmission, manual, select any color, seats number, door number, horsepower if you want to enter the horsepower, the power, fuel type, emission and standard. After that, save this information. Now, we will jump into the delivery slots module. Click on that. Here you can see no slots is created yet. Now click on new, add a delivery address, add the vehicle, add crew. After that, we will add one picking. Add a contact, operation type. Now add a product. Add how many products do you need and close. Now save it. Don't forget to add the schedule arrival time and completion time. After that, save it. Now you can see the delivery slot is created. Now click on delivery slot and click on edit. Here you can see the picking is in draft state. Here you can see the every detail of the picking. Now if you try to validate the picking, it will throw you a validation error. So for that, first you need to confirm the delivery slot before the picking. Here we will confirm the delivery slot. Now we will validate the picking. As we can see, the picking is in done state, and also the slot is in confirmed state. After that, we will create a new slot. Add a delivery address, add a vehicle, add a crew, and arrival time and completion time. Add a picking, add a contact, operation type, and now add the product, the demand, and save it. You can see this delivery slot is in draft state. Here you can see both the slots. Select the last delivery slot we created, click on edit, and you can see the picking is in draft state. Now again we will create a new delivery slot. We'll add a delivery address, vehicle, crew, and we'll add arrival time and completion time. And now we will try to add the picking that was in draft state earlier. And when we try to save it, a validation will pop up. You can also see the delivery slot in tray view. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.